Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. This will be a different video because it is aimed at my followers who follow me from abroad, my followers who do not speak Italian, because looking at the analytics, I noticed that I am still followed a lot from abroad. In fact, often even more than here in Italy. However, I wanted to make a presentation video of my channel that I had already done in Italian years ago. I leave you the link here in a card, but it is a very old video. So I decided to make a presentation video of my channel also in English. Let's start by saying what type of skin and hair I have, because it is right that those who watch me know what type of cosmetics I use. Because naturally I make use of cosmetics that are suitable for my specific skin type and hair type. To begin, I'm Anna, 45 years old, with oily skin that becomes slightly more combination in winter. My hair is greasy at the roots and more dry normals on the lengths. With an olive skin tone, I ensure that all the products I use, whether it's makeup, hair care, or skin care, are suitable for my characteristics and age. Previously, I also reviewed books and TV series, but I shifted my focus to beauty. Nonetheless, I still occasionally review books and popular series. Hello everyone, it's nice to meet you all. My main goal is to provide accurate and helpful information about beauty products and routines for people with similar characteristics and age. In the community section, so you can go take a look, because there I might post other types of things that I don't put in the videos here on YouTube. So to give a brief overview, on my channel I primarily focus on reviews, specifically reviews of the cosmetics that I use. These reviews can cover a range of topics, including the best and worst products I've tried, as well as individual reviews of specific products or product lines. I aim to provide comprehensive and informative insights for my audience. And at times I also do makeup tutorials or try out new foundations that I buy to show you how they perform on my skin, or even apply mascara to demonstrate how it performs on my lashes. This way I can provide you with first-hand experiences and insights on the effectiveness of different beauty products. So this is all I talk about on my channel. Sometimes I also include some story time when I have something to tell you, and then I also occasionally do haul videos, but generally I like to show you the products I buy on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram and you want to follow me there, you can find the link here in a tab, but also below in the info box, and where you can find all the links to the social media platforms where you can follow me. And you can also find it on the home page of my YouTube channel anyway. On Instagram you can find me as sunshinebeauty.me. Okay, I hope this video can be helpful. I recommend it. Leave me a like, share it with your friends, assist me in growing in any case, inform people about my channel to some extent. Follow me, as I previously mentioned, on all of my social media platforms. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Farewell.